Okay, so now I'll show you how to create routes. So to create routes, it's also simple. A route is where where a trip moves. So a trip moves from a particular point to another point. So it moves from a city to another city, and the path that a bus takes is the route. So the unique identifier of a route is the starting point and the ending point. So the city it started from and the city the trip ended is that particular route. So we identify route as in where the trip is going to. So let's say if we have a journey from Ho to Kumasi, the route is from Ho to Kumasi. That is a unique route. Another route could be a station, a trip from Ho to Accra. That is also one specific route. Or from Ho to Tamale. That is also another specific route. Or from Accra to Tamale. So these are all unique routes that you could create so that you have standard routes for where your buses are going. You can have multiple routes of where your buses are going depending on how many routes you want to have trips. So you could create a route. A route has a starting point and a destination point. So for example, if I want to move from Ho to Aflau, so I can pick the origin terminal and the destination terminal. And I could add stops along the way. So let's say I want to stop at Sokode. I could type it there and search it on the map, the specific map, right? So we have Sokode, Bogame. So I could select Sokode, Bogame, and it will send me there, and I'll set it. So that particular stop could be multiple things. Let's say when the bus stops in Sokode, you want to pick up people from Sokode. So you select onboarding, but let's say certain people want to alight, want to drop off at Sokode, then you select alight, right? So, but currently I'll select onboard. And I'll select the wait time, maybe 10 minutes. The bus will wait the 10 minutes for the person, then it continues. So now the Sokode stop has been added to the application. We could add another stop to it. Let's say, for example, the person wants to stop in Akosombo. You type Akosombo and you use the pinpoint. So let's say you also have an onboarding point in Akosombo. So meaning you pick up certain people on Akosombo, you could put the onboarding and you could put the wait time there, and you add it. So now you have two onboarding points. Let's say you want to add a certain point also. Let's say a drop-off point, right? At let's say at Kmon. Let's say some people want to drop off at Kmon. You select it. Mind you, this is just an example, so I know there are more efficient routes that the operators can pass, the drivers can pass. I'm not much familiar with the road, so it is the driver that will be picking this particular pickup point and drop-off point. So bear with me. So a light. So I can choose a light, and I can say 10 minutes. The bus will wait 10 minutes and drop off somebody. And I add. So we have we have 3 onboarding points. The first, which is the terminal. Then we have Sokode. We pick up people on Sokode. We pick up people at Akosombo. We drop off people at Bon. And yeah, you could add another drop-off point. So that's just the gist of it. So this makes a route. So we could now save it. And now we have a route from Ho to Aplau, which is created here. A route from Ho to Aplau. So that's how to create a route.